Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm going to do another pour with a styrofoam sphere. I'm going to do a little different than last time though. If you guys missed the last video on this, I will post the link in the description, but I'm going to show you that final painting because no one's actually ever seen it before. So what I did on this one is I put the ball in the middle and then I put a pin underneath the back and I poured over it and then I tilted with the ball on there. In the end, I ended up removing the ball. I'll show you guys. This is what the ball looks like, which it could be reattached if you wanted to. But I'm going to make it into an ornament. Anyways, so I removed it and then I painted. I thought it would be perfect for kind of a spherical or planetary painting. So that is what this one looks like. I am totally in love with it. Today, we're going to do it a little bit differently. I have not obviously attached this. I'm going to hold on to it as I pour, and then once done pouring, I'm going to just go ahead and stick this in this other styrofoam piece to dry, and I'll tilt this. Okay, hopefully that all made sense. So I am once again using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. I actually have a little bit of paint in my Loli Vefe bowl here from a previous project that I did. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use that. And I'm gonna try not to do it as blue as last time. So let's see. So I think I'm going to use every color that I have except blue. So right in there, I have black and white. I'm going to use some gold. And this gold is super amazing. And then I'll use some yellow, orange, red, and purple. I also have some metallic white that I'm going to be using. Let's get in here with the orange. This is one of my favorite oranges. Super bright. And the canvas under here is an 11 by 14. Okay, seems like I'm almost out of red. Good to know. Just going to let that drain on there. And I know I'm also low on purple. I'm not going to add any additional black. So let's do some of the metallic white. And then a little more gold. And that'll be it. Okay. Well, that one's almost empty as well. Come on. Cooperate. All right. Watch me make a mess here. Okay. All right, good. Sorry about that, guys. So let me get the bottles out of the way and then we'll get started. All right. So like I said, I'm going to actually hold the ball here. And I think this time I'll actually do it off center. Let's go ahead and we'll do it over here. And let's try to kind of pour around. Obviously the stick is in the way, as is my hand, so it's not that easy. And the point is not to have like a super cool ball at the end, although that is a little bit of a byproduct, but it just creates the pattern of pouring around the ball, which is unique and fun. So I'm going to let the ball sit here and kind of drip down for just a few minutes so that we get as much paint on the canvas as possible. And then we'll come right back and do the canvas. Okay, here we go. So just pulling the ball off. And then I'm going to put it in the styrofoam and just let it dry. It'll do its thing. And here we go with the canvas. So obviously I poured off center. So this is not going to be a centered design. I'm just going to help out the corners. I definitely used fairly minimal paint on this. Well, this painting is definitely coming out lighter than I anticipated. I did not add any additional black other than that little bit that was left in the cup from a previous project, which by the way is going to be killer. Cannot wait to show you guys. So this kind of accidentally turned out to be a very nice springy colored painting. And no blue. All right, awesome. Let's go ahead and let this sit for a little while, and then we will do our close-up. Okay, we're back. So I really love how the colors came out on this one. Really nice and soft. Kind of have the abstract flower idea in here, at least for me. But it also has that kind of fiery flame feel to it. Let's do our close-up. Starting in the lower right-hand corner, we definitely got some really cool lines and patterns on this one. And this paint has a lot of depth to it, which I actually really love. If you are a kind of person that loves to make big cells in your acrylic pours, this is definitely not the paint for you. But if you love beautiful lines, this is a great paint. Here I'll just really quickly show you the ball. Obviously it's going to continue to drip and move, but even that is super cool, and it could be just made into an ornament of some kind, or a mobile. Is that how you say it? Like over a kid's bed or something, or a series of planets. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry for the fumbling in the beginning, and I feel like I was extra philosophical today. But anyways, I will see you all next time.